We are starting an educational series, which I'm prone to do. I love to educate. Knowledge is power on 2024, which is upon us, health essentials. We are always trying to optimize your health, quality, longevity. There's so many things that continue to come on the horizon. There'll be more that you'll hear from us, but let's talk about skin products first. Number one of the things that I get on a regular basis is do not waste your money moisturizing dead skin, which is what the vast majority of products on the market do. You just put them on, you're moisturizing dead skin. You got to do things that stimulate youthful function of your skin at every age, to slow down the clock, to turn back the clock, to help resolve issues. So number one, cleanser really matters. If you're not using cleanser that is not just moisturizing dead skin, you've got to use cleanser that goes in and cleans out your pores, the pollution, the toxicity, the sweat, the acidic pH, the makeup, whatever it is that's on the surface of your skin. Cleanser really matters. The ingredients in my cleanser go in and clean it out. It helps exfoliate. Exfoliation is helping to get rid of the dead skin on the surface of your skin. So products that might be able to penetrate, mine all penetrate no matter what, can get into your skin. What is essential at every age? My serum, if you're going to use serum, use a serum that's therapeutic, that's chirally, chemically correct, that every ingredient isn't active, that you see what it does, that helps decrease inflammation, which is what's causing aging and wrinkles. And so my serum really matters. The next thing I add in is vitamin C plus. Vitamin C plus forces new collagen production. If you have lines, and people are getting lines younger and younger in today's world, so vitamin C plus really matters. And then if you need more moisture, the first thing you do is wrinkle filler, because it is the densest, strongest hyaluronic on the market. It's going to plump up your skin. It's going to moisturize on the surface. It penetrates to a certain extent. So those are the things that are the most important. And then you move to step two, which would be vitamin A plus. Look, night regeneration is the nighttime serum. So it moves on. But at every age, from the time you become a teenager, even if you have pimples, what is serum doing? It's helping to decrease that. And the other thing as far as pimples is you've always got exfoliating repair, which goes in and cleans out the pores as well. If you've got pimples, it helps get rid of those. And it's exfoliating to get rid of that dead skin that is imperative to get rid of, which ages you and which keeps any sort of therapy from getting in, except for my skin products, which will get in no matter what. But that's why I talk about exfoliation a lot. So knowledge is power. This is what you start with, and we will go from there and give you more information. And again, at every age, but these are for every age, men and women. Hope this helps. Thank you.